This is proof history always repeats itself. Rhymes, right? Bitcoiners said the same thing. At any point in time, nobody thinks anything's possible until it happens. Then new price targets are set. Right now, $100 is impossible. When we reach $100, the number changes. Just hodl, guys. Literally what you have to do. Or obviously not financial advice, but we see right here, March 17, 2017, XRP will break 0.0002 soon. Remember my words, right? Look at that. And then right here, honestly doubt that. Their available volume is way too big to reach a price of $1. XRP market cap needs to be huge. Again, this is insane. I should just stop the video right here, guys, because this is all you need to know. This is absolutely mind-boggling. Again, even when Bitcoin was going up from cents to hundreds and thousands, right? People said the same thing about that. Literally no utility. Wait until they unleash what happens with XRP, guys. The utility that XRP